happy Monday. We are gonna be making a birthday cake travel today. I'm like super excited for this because we love them here. We really like the chicken quesadilla one that I showed you guys how to make before. But this one's like a little like treat. So we're gonna be making this up and we're gonna be having it as a treat this afternoon. So we'll get started. Basically all I did before this was I measured everything out. Okay, so we're gonna get to this. We're gonna do it together. Okay, so we're gonna start off with eggs. There's 2 eggs in here. There we go. We're gonna crack open some eggs. Okay. Oh, I just like, there we go. Almost got eggshell in there. Almost. It was almost bad. Okay, I'm just going to mix these eggs just a little bit together before I add everything else to the mixture. Okay, so we got 2 eggs. Now we're going to be adding some almond flour. So here's my almond flour. It's a 1/4 cup almond flour. I'm going to put that in. And then we have our swerve, or we are using moncton fruit, okay? And we have, Ryan, can you get the melted butter? Because it's not here. And then we have 2 tablespoons. There we go. I got a little sidetracked because there was no butter here. I'm like, oh no, did I forget to grab the butter? But it's just still in my car. Okay. Then we're going to add melted butter. Make sure it's a little bit melted here. And for the melted butter, there is 2 tablespoons of the melted butter. And of course, with any of my videos, if you want the written recipe, all you have to do is put recipe in the comments and we'll send it off to you. Now this is 2 tablespoons of cream cheese softened. We're basically just putting everything together here, okay? This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we have our vanilla. Okay, so it's basically gonna taste like a vanilla cake. All right, and we have 1.5 tablespoons of the vanilla extract. And then to bring it all together, we're gonna add some xanthan gum. So this is the xanthan gum that I have. It's just Bob Red Mills xanthan gum. It's quarter teaspoon. And there we go. We're gonna add this all together now. My waffle maker's on and it's like hot, like beside me. In my face. And once it's all mixed up, I'll bring it up to the camera so you guys can see what it's gonna look like mixed together. Then we'll get it in a waffle maker and then I will show you how to make the icing. We got icing to make with this too. Okay, it's gonna be like literally a cake, guys. It's gonna be a cake. Okay. So I'm excited for this this treat here. This cream cheese is not wanting to mix well with things. It's because we buy the big bricks of cream cheese. That's why. And even though we leave it out and we get it all nice and softened, it just does not like to mix in with things. Now, if you have a mini waffle maker, this will make 4. If you have a large waffle maker, this should make 2. So you can put some of the icing in the middle and also on top. With the 4th one, you can put it all in the layer. You have the mini one to make 4, which is really cool. And I'm going to be showing you how to make it all. Hopefully, you get this cream cheese crushed in during this video. So I'm like thinking about making a whole Chaffle book of different recipes because we do a whole ton of them. Like we do like pumpkin pie ones or just pumpkin spice ones. It's like a pumpkin It's like a pumpkin like cheesecake. There we go. It's more like a cheesecake, not pumpkin pie. Then we also have pumpkin spice one. We do cinnamon ones. We do taco ones. Chicken quesadillas. And then we also do like the cakes. So we have a peanut butter chocolate sandwich one. It's like a Reese's Pieces one. We also do a chocolate cake. We have this birthday cake one. We also have an Oreo recipe that we also like to do. So, I don't know. Is that like a thing you guys might want? It's like a little free ebook. Me just creating this like little recipe book for you guys. You have all this deliciousness. Because like, this is like awesome. Because you can use these as bread. Or you can have them as like a little treat like we're doing today. There we go, there we go. I think this is as good as it's going to get. What do you think? Do you think you can get this better? No. No? There we go. Okay, so basically, you can't even see it there. Okay, try and lift up the camera and angle it down. No, not working. You have to lift it up. There, and then, there you go, we got it! So it looks brown, basically. Well, it's not brown, but like vanilla. Because it's vanilla batter, right? Okay, there we go. So we're going to put about half the batter in the waffle maker now. I just have the waffle maker here on the side. There we go. So we have it, half the batter in there. And we're going to have it cooking. So now, while it's cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to make the icing for it, okay? So we have, let's see, what's the measurement for the whipping cream? We have half a cup of whipping cream, okay? And we're going to add some mountain fruit and some vanilla. So this is the mountain fruit that we've been using. You can use swerve or mountain fruit, whatever sweetener you like. You can find this at Superstore, Loblaws. And then you saw the Bob Red Mills one, right? We found that at the Superstore as well. Here is the almond flour. We got this at Costco, okay? You can get this also on Amazon, but I would advise not to do that. Okay, so we're going to add the mountain fruit now. So that's 2 tablespoons of the mountain fruit, and then we're going to add a little bit more vanilla extract. And this is half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And then what you need to do, you get the hand mixer. What I guess I'm going to have to do is just move everything over. Okay, I'm going to have to go here because of the plug. And we are going to mix it. finished. She's gonna finish mixing it while I get this off. Okay, basically you whip it, okay, until you see the stiff peaks, okay? So, stiff peaks. Where's my spoon? Oh, it's all dirty. It's all dirty. I'll grab another one. Grab a little knife so we can put it on our cake. So basically, stiff peaks. Nice and thick, okay? So what you want to do is you want to take the, when the truffle's all done, you take it off, you let it cool for a little bit, and then you just put this on. What you can also do to make it like birthday cakey is you get those sugar-free sprinkles and you put it on top, and you have your birthday cake, right? You can also mix it in with the icing, so there's like sprinkles within the icing as well. And then of course you can add whatever you want on top, sugar-free chocolate chips, or just have the sugar-free sprinkles, and have yourself a nice little snack. Okay. So I'm going to try and get this off so you can see. The word is try. In one piece. Normally, I just have it in like 4 different pieces. Because what we do is we actually take the full one, and you know how it's like in 4s, right? Well, we have it in 4s, and we put icing in between and the layers, okay? But I'll try and get it off as one big thing for you guys to see. There we go. So basically, it looks obviously like a waffle. And then you just put the icing on top with the sprinkles. You get the other one made, and you stick it on top with some more icing on top with the sprinkles, and you have yourself a good old snack, which I'm like excited for. So what I'm going to do, of course, if you want the written recipe, of course, is put recipe in the comments, and I'll send it off to you. I'm going to make the other one, and I'm going to get this all dollied up, take a picture, and I'll put it in the comments below. Okay, but that is what it looks like when it comes off. Like a normal waffle. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys next time. If you haven't noticed, our videos are on Mondays and Fridays, okay? So you can just kind of like check out the videos then, alright? But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.